Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, lalo sa mga kababayan ko na nandito sa Las Vegas. Thank you all for responding to my call. Last week, I called for a solidarity movement to support our former President, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. I know that he is unjustly arrested on his return to Manila from Hong Kong. My fellow Filipino Americans here in Las Vegas, I hope that you can join us again on Thursday, the 27th of March at 6 o'clock in the afternoon to celebrate the 80th birthday of Tatay Digong. This will coincide with his birthday in the Philippines, so I hope you can join us. You don't have to pay anything. We're going to discuss a lot of things, including how we can support our former president. We believe that the arrest is unlawful. He wasn't served a valid warrant of arrest. In fact, according to the Interpol, there was no red notice. After all what he has done to the Philippines during his term, wherein he tried to clean up the entire country, he also cleaned the Philippines with all the criminalities. It may not be perfect, but the people of the Philippines can attest that they can freely move around even during nighttime. The drug addicts are no longer in the streets. He did it for the love of the country. Para sa pagmamahal niya sa inang bayan at sa kapwa Pilipino. Nakita niyo naman, nung kapanahunan niya, ang daming na-repatriate na mga distressed overseas Filipino workers. But it's only during the time of PRRD that they were able to go home, all expenses paid by the government. So mga kababayan ko dito sa Las Vegas, I hope you can join us on the 27th at 6 o'clock in the evening. Let's celebrate Tatay Digong's birthday. Makiisa po tayo sa buong mundo, hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, to show the world that our former president is loved by the Filipino people, not only in the Philippines, but of the whole world where there are Filipinos. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. We love the United States of America, being this is our adoptive country. But let's not forget to also love our native country, the Philippines. So mga kababayan ko, I hope makikita ko kayo sa darating na 27th of March. Magkaisa po tayo para marinig ng buong mundo at ng Philippine government that we are not happy of what they did to our former president. Bring home former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Mabuhay ka, Tatay Digong.